Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to use the u. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one we have 2s. So number 2 and negative number 2, we have negative 4s. Because this is about number 8, this one is about negative number 4. So we want to create about number 8. We need to multiply both sides by negative number 2. So the square root we change by u. 8s ds we change by negative 4u du. So u and u we have u square. And now the integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.